Hey guys, this is Mike, and this is part 5 of the OverBlock game dev series. So I'm pretty much finished with the game. The only thing left to do is to do the 790 more puzzles. That's gonna take a while. So I did fix the aspect ratio issue. If you saw the previous video when I was running on the Nexus 4 emulator, you could see that it was clearly stretched wider, since the Nexus 4 is 1280 by 768 and my 1280 pack is for a 720. So it was a little thinner, and as to compensate, it stretched wider. But now I fixed that by not setting it to be wider, but by just adding extra space on the left and right sides here. So you can see it's not stretched. This is a perfect circle. At least it looks like it. But you can tell from the previous video it looked more like a oval because it was stretched. So yeah, let's see. I can play easy. I can try one of these puzzles. So let's see. Wow, the emulator is a little laggy. So if I solve this one and then I go back, you can see that one's fixed, and I have 1 out of 200. So I got the saving done. Hopefully it really actually works. So let me test this one. 6, and yep. So I should have 2 out of 200 finished. Okay, so that's good. Again, for the aspect ratio issue, you can see it more clearly if I set the screen sizes myself. So this is regular, and then for something like a 4:3, I guess this is for tablets, it's wider. You can see it's wider than the other one, but it's not stretching. All it does is add extra space on the left and right sides. I can even make it more obvious by stretching this out even further, and you can see obviously no stretching, just extra space. But the difference here is that I sort of spaced out the level buttons more on the bigger screens. And obviously if you play it, you have extra space to work with than over here. So that's pretty much it. Again, like I said, the last thing to do is to create the rest of the puzzles, which is a lot, 200 for each of the difficulties. And then I will put it into the Play Store. So, as far as creating levels, that's going to take a while. I probably won't be finished for quite a bit. I'm not sure how long it's going to take. But, yeah. And then I'll make one last video once I actually put it in the Play Store. So, thanks for watching.